Assalamu alaikum and good morning to all of my students. I hope you're all feeling great and enjoying your lectures, enjoying your day, doing a lot of fun. Are you doing? Okay, that's great. You're learning every day new things. The teachers are making amazing lectures for you. They are making amazing videos for you. And I hope you're all liking them. Are you? Oh, that's lovely. So when you're liking them, we feel more happy, we feel more energetic, and we make more videos for you, right? And what you have to do for that, you have to subscribe our channel and you have to give it a thumbs up and you have to share it, right? That's the only thing which you have to do. So we'll keep making amazing videos for all of you, right? Okay, so this is our numeracy class and we are learning about colors, right? So we are going to make a new color today and we are going to learn about that, right? So for that, um, I have to have the red color. I'll be using red color and I will be using the white color, white paint, right? So first of all, what I'm going to do is I am going to take out the red color, right? I will take out the red color, right? Red color, and I'll put it in the bowl. I'm not going to make much of it, right? So this is the red color. Yeah, and now we are going to put a little of white paint. We're going to mix a little of white paint. I hope you can see this. A little of white, right? So, okay, now look at this. We have red color here and we have the white. Now I am going to mix it, right? Yes, I am going to mix it. And we are going to find out that what colors can we make by mixing the red color and the white color, right? Okay, so I am going to mix. I am going to mix. I am going to mix it. Yes. Oh, wow. I made a new color. I am just going to show you which color have I made. Okay, any guess? Which color have I made? No. Okay, now I am almost done. I have mixed red color and I have put some white and I have put them together. Yay. Now they have become friends. Now when they have become friends, they have a new name. They have come up with something very new. Okay, I am going to show you what have I come up with. Yay! Which color is this now? Yeah, this is a pink color. Yes, this is a pink color. We have made a pink color today. So you can do a lot of experiments by mixing different colors and making all the new colors, right? So if you don't have a pink color at home, you only have a red color and a white paint. So what you can do is you can just mix them together and make pink color. Isn't that fun? Yes, you should do experiments by mixing the colors and making all the different things. Okay, now which are the things which are pink, which you like? Yeah, there is strawberry ice cream is pink. Some of the dresses the girls wear, they are pink because pink is girls' most favorite color. And flamingo is pink, right? So the pink is a beautiful color, and though the spring is around, we can see all the beautiful colors. You can even go out and look for pink flowers. There are many pink flowers, there are small flowers, which you can see they're all of the colors which you can see these days, like yellow and orange and purple and pinks. There are most of the colors. So you can just go and have a look for this pink color, or you can find, right? Okay. And you can even draw and paint a pink picture, whatever you like. But you can make pink. Yeah, you can make a cake that is pink. You can make an ice cream that is pink. Yes, that's so lovely. Yeah, there are many things you can paint pink. You can even make a dress which is pink. You can even make a shoe which is pink. Okay, so we are going to do an exercise, and we have to take out our Maths Wise book 3, right? We are going to take our Maths Wise book 3. Yes. Okay. All of you take out your Maths Wise book 3. Okay, good. Now we are on page number 23, right? Okay, so we are on page number 23. Yes. All of you take out your page number 23. Yes. Yeah, okay. So this says it's a magic. Mix red and white and you get a new color pink, which we already did. See, we did a magic and we painted, right? We made a new color. Wow. So you also have to do it, but you're not going to do it alone. Ask somebody to sit with you, so you do not spoil anything, like you don't spill the paint on your dress or maybe on your shoes or maybe on the floor, right? So ask your mommy to help you, to sit with you, and you're going to do this magic to mix the red and white color to make a totally new color that is pink, right? Okay. Now look here, this says color this picture pink like the icing on the cake. Okay, now you all have to take out your pink color pencil. You cannot use the paint. You should have the pink marker. Yes, if you have a pink marker, you can take out the pink color. I have this pink marker. Maybe this seems more pink, right? Any of the pink color you have, you can take out the marker or you can take out the color pencil, right? All of you, good. That's great. So now you are not going to color the whole picture here, the girl. Now, what is pink over here? If you look at this picture where there is a girl, are you going to paint or color his hair pink, or maybe his face pink, or maybe the arms pink? No. What is pink over there? Yes, the tongue is pink. So you are only going to color the tongue pink, and you can use different colors for the rest of the picture, right? So all of you, first of all, color the tongue pink. Take out this color, whether if it's a color pencil, whether if it's a marker, whatever you have, crayon, anything, take out the pink color and just color the tongue, right? Yes. And rest you're going to color later. Okay, now here, what we have here, what could be pink? What is this? The fizzy drink, none of the fizzy drink is pink. There is a smoothie which is pink, juice. What is that? Yeah, that's the strawberry. Now, if we have a strawberry milkshake, that is the same pink color which we have, right? So you are going to color pink over here, right? Not the whole glass, you're going to color pink. Okay, yes, good. So you're going to color only here, pink. Very good. Did that? Show it to me. Very good, very good. Excellent. Excuse me. Okay, Now, look here. There is a cone ice cream. This is the cone, and this is the ice cream. The cone is not pink. You can make it a little light brown, and you are going to color the ice cream on the top. You're going to color this pink, right? Because the biscuit is not pink. The biscuit is brown. You're only going to color the ice cream pink, okay? Yes, quickly do it. Quickly do it. Yes, good. Yes, don't go out of the line. Stay inside the lines, right? Do it slowly. No need to hurry. Do it slowly, yeah. And don't leave the white space. It should be all pink like this, right? There's no white space looking underneath. Okay, then what is, yeah, there is a flower. It is lotus, right? Oh, no, it's water lily. This is water lily. Okay, so you are going to color the flower pink, okay? But what about the leaves? Are you going to color the leaves pink? No, you're not going to color leaves pink. What are you going to color the leaves? Green. That's great. Okay, so color the water lily pink and this bird pink, the flower and the bud both pink, and the leaves are green. Fantastic. Fantastic. Very good. Okay, that's lovely. So all of you do it. Yes. Quickly. Yes, I have another pink over here. This is also pink, right? So you can use any of the marker or the crayon or the color pencil, whatever you like. So you are going to make pink. Okay, now tell me, what is your favorite pink thing? Oh, you have pink shoes. Oh, that's lovely. And what else? You have a pink shirt, pink t-shirt. Oh, that's great. And oh, you have a pink cap. Oh, that's lovely. So that means everybody has some of the thing which is pink. What I have? Yeah, I have a scarf, which is, I have a pink scarf. Yeah, I have pink shoes as well. Yeah. So see, pink is a beautiful color. We love that color. And though this is spring all around, you can see all the beautiful colors, different shades of pinks. So you can even go and observe all the different colors, all the different shades of pink outside. There are different kind of flowers. They have like different shades of pink. So you can go and see and observe and be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He has made so many beautiful things for us, right? He has made so beautiful world with the beautiful things that when we look at them, we feel so good and happy, right? Okay, so what are you going to do is you're going to do this experiment at home with your mommy and your papa, whoever is available, maybe your siblings, your elder siblings. You're not going to do it alone. Maybe you don't spill the paint somewhere, or maybe something happens. So whenever you're doing any activity, ask your elders to just assist you, to help you, to at least look at you when you're doing all that, right? Okay, so this was a numeracy class. Excuse me. And in which we have learned to make a new color. So in our next class as well, we're going to make another new color. Yeah, so let's see which color we're going to make in the next class, right? So this was a numeracy class today, and I'm going to say goodbye to you from this class. And do remember to subscribe our channel, give the thumbs up, and do share it with your friends, right? So I'm going to say bye-bye to you. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, stay safe, be happy, and be grateful for all what you have, right?